Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wait. Special marine warning. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay. Coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles until 9:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles northeast of Pea Patch Island to near Chester River, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Cape May Point, Miamal Light, Ship John Shoal Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Overfalls Shoal, Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, Cross Ledge Light, and Rehoboth Beach.
Another one?
The following is a non-precipitous